Hello friends, my name is Dr. Murtaza Adeeb. I am a joint replacement surgeon. I specialize in total knee replacement surgery and total hip replacement surgery. And today we're going to talk about a very common topic. It's basically what you need to know and what you need to do after you go home after a total hip replacement surgery. So you've had a total hip replacement surgery and you're about to be discharged from the hospital. The first question that people have is that how can I go home? Do I need a special ambulance to take me home, or can I go in my own car? The answer is very simple. You can go in your own car. You don't necessarily need an ambulance to go home. As long as you're sitting in the front seat is more adjustable. It has a secure seat belt, etc. And it is easier to get in. So I think if you sit in the front seat of your own car, which is a slightly higher car, I think you can take your own car back home. Second question is that when I get home, what medication do I need to take? So usually after hip replacement surgery, apart from your regular medication, you will be prescribed an antibiotic course for around 3 to 5 days. You will also be given painkillers, and lastly you will be given medication to thin your blood to prevent any blood clots, and this is usually given for around 6 weeks after the operation. The third question people ask is that what is my movement going to be like at home when I get there? So after you've had a total hip replacement, it is quite important to understand that there are certain hip precautions that you need to follow, and this your surgeon will explain to you before you go home. And basically you need to avoid all the extreme movements of a total hip, and this is mainly to give a chance for all the tissues to heal, and also to make sure that the hip replacement remains stable and does not come out of the joint or dislocate out of the joint. So basically you need to avoid any low-lying chairs, you need to avoid crossing your legs, and ideally you should sleep on your back with your legs apart. So you need to take a pillow in between your legs when you're sleeping, and try not to go onto either side. And these precautions have to be followed for at least 3 months after the operation. This is, I think, the most difficult part after a total hip replacement. The other question people ask is that what do I do about wound care? So you have to look after the wound, you have to make sure that it remains dry. It is quite near the perineal regions. Sometimes it can get contaminated with urine or feces, and if that happens, you have to clean it up as soon as possible and get the dressing done. Anyway, you need to do dressing every 3 to 4 days at home. You can call a nurse to do it, as long as it is done cleanly, and then come to hospital after 2 weeks to remove the stitches. The last question people ask is do I need physiotherapy after a total hip replacement? So the answer is that yes, you do require physiotherapy. It's not as intense as after a total knee replacement, but you still require physiotherapy. And if you can have regular physiotherapy at home, that's fine. At least, or you can learn what to do, and mainly involves gait training, learn how to walk again with the new hip, etc., and some muscle training. So those are 2 things that you need to do. If you need any more information, kindly contact me. Thank you.